All right, let's install Anaconda Python. I've already downloaded it. It's in the downloads directory, but you can also in Chrome click on it down on the bottom, double click, and run it from there. And it has a couple things that you probably want to check when you are doing this. Agree to the license agreement and do it just for me. Otherwise, you'll find that you'll have some unusual results for installing it, I think. And click OK to do. This is because I already had a version of it installed, so I'm going to click OK to replace the previous version. I think those are the only things I had to do, but you shouldn't get that little pop-up there. And check the box that says Anaconda, add Anaconda to my path environment variable. That way, you'll be able to find it from the shell when you run a shell on your system. And at this point, I'm doing some time travel. It takes several minutes at this moment, but I skipped ahead and cut that out of this video. And now it should be done. It's just a matter of clicking finish once it gets there. So it's really simple to install. If you want to watch the tutorial and that kind of stuff, you can. I have seen them. They're quite good, but, you know, I don't need to walk through the tutorial with you.